All right, so the question on the back says compounded monthly. Okay, many banks are going to compound the interest every month, which is actually even better for you. Instead of adding money once per year, they're going to add money into your account after every month. If you check your statements, this is probably what your bank does. So you're going to see a change every month. So same process as question number 2, but you see already kind of listed out here on the number line. We've got 0 years, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's kind of the big hash mark, 5 years. But then we're going to break it down even farther than that. We've got 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, all the way up to 1 year. And then I started to do it for the next year as well. It's going to be really broken down. So if I'm looking at the starting balance, I'm still going to start at $3,000. And I'm going to do one of these with you. Then you have the rest of your own here. So the principal is going to be $3,000. But now the rest of the equation is going to be a little bit tricky, which is why I'm giving you a little bit of a hint here. The rate times the time. Well, I know the annual interest rate is 4%. Now that's annual, not monthly. So what I have to do is divide that by 12 months. Okay, so really my monthly interest rate is going to be 0. It's going to be pretty small here. You know how to do this. 4%, 0.04 divided by 12. Oh, so every month I'm only going to earn 0.003, and it's going to go on forever here, right? So what I'm really looking at when I do the rate times the time, it's just going to be 3,000 times the 100% and that little additional 3 that repeats. Okay, so I know it's going to be a little bit different than what we did with the years, but this is how the banks actually work. Okay, so if we multiply those two together, that shows you that your ending balance would be, $3,010. Now, the more threes that you keep, the more exact your problem is going to be. Okay, but now for month 2, then your starting balance is 3,010, and you're going to multiply that by the same, interest rate and monthly time that we had found before. Okay, now again, the more threes you keep, the more accurate your numbers are going to be. You see I listed out the first 12 months, so this will tell you your balance at the end of 1 year, and then I have a paragraph at the bottom on how to figure out the final balance, but you've got that on your own. So thank you very much for your diligence. You earned your project points this way. Good luck.